A blessed Tuesday to us. This interesting gospel reading today is the opening salvo of the Gospel of St. Matthew's section or chapter, whole chapter 23, which is all about Jesus' confrontation or open offensive to the Pharisees and the scribes. Now, this interesting opening salvo is full of teachings, full of reminders. And one interesting thing about this, especially in the season of Lent, is that these teachings are actually, yes, they enrich us. But aside from enriching them, they also present challenges. And as challenges, there are two responses that we can make. Either, according to the first reading today from the prophet Isaiah, if you reject and refuse, that's the first response that we can make. But the other is, if you are willing and if you obey. Actually, teachings, as they are full of so many enrichments, they are also at the same time challenges. But it takes a lot of courage to be willing in order for the teachings to be received and to make manifest in our lives. Daghan kayong mga hagit sa atong kinabuhi. Daghan kayo nga kanunay magtukmod nato unsay angayan nga buhaton. But then sometimes we take it as a clause, no? Ang atong rason ba nga, I am a free being anyway. Munay nahitabo ron sa kadaghanan sa mga kabatanunan, no? Tungod sa ilahang pagpahalaga, nagtagalog man hinuon ko, sa ilang paghatag ug pagtagad sa ilang kagawasan, no? Tendency is always to be pulled on the other end. Kay nganuman, willingness to follow commandments or observances like this do not for them make any sense at all. Ilabi na when it entails sacrifice, when it entails patience. No? And this is something that we have to struggle during the season of Lent. But it is always from the will. And I always ask this many times over, asa man ang will? Where is the seat of the will? The seat of the will is not here. The seat of the will is the heart. And that's the reason why when we are willing, it comes from the heart. It is a heartfelt observance. Kinasing-kasing, og sa Binisaya pa, klaro kayo ang ato ang Binisaya, oy. No? Dili lamang ingon nga willing ka o kanang buot gyud ka. Kung ang kabubuton naagyud sa kasing-kasing. And it is from the heart that everything flows as we respond to the heart of hearts that constantly speaks to us in so many different ways and occasions and situations in life. So as we continue with this Eucharistic celebration, keeping in touch and being aware that God is just around the bend, trying to actually touch us, we have to make a free response. And free response means willingness and heartfelt. Amen.